All right. Um, Welcome to my open house video for 2022. Uh, it's been a lot of fun this year, being back in the studio in person, having everybody on campus. Obviously, some challenges with masking, but again, it's been a really positive year, and it's been fun to get to know your students. I hope to have some come back for another year, whether next year or maybe they skip a year, come back. That's often the case. Um, but it's been I put together a web page. I put together this video. I'm out of town at a conference for ceramics. I'm excited that I have the support to do that, and I'll bring back some good information to share with students. So some of the stuff that you'll see, the images that you'll see, are just kind of some pictures I've taken, candid pictures in the studio over the course of the year. So you'll see students working. Sometimes we make a mess, so there's a couple pictures of a messy studio and some cleaner studio and students doing some cleaning. There's some finished work, their work in process or progress, so you can kind of get an idea about what it looks like in the studio at a variety of different times. In addition, I also included some work that we do. Again, I focus on the process, right? And so I have students take notes and talk about what's inspiring to them within a specific prompt, and look for some inspiration and do some reflection on their work. So I've included just a couple examples of the workbook work that we do. I also encourage students to kind of understand that what we do in the studio is just a really small sliver of the ceramics world. And so I assign a podcast for them to listen to, and they write a short review, a couple of interesting things they heard throughout the podcast. So there's a couple examples of that you can read through, also on the webpage. Some of the stuff that you'll see, some of the pictures were raku fired. So we also talk about different firing procedures, and I'll plan on doing at least 2 more in the afternoon after school. So if students have the opportunity to come and take a look, they can see what that process looks like. So it's been a good year, like I said, and please reach out if you have any questions. You can email me, and would love to have a conversation about that. So thanks again for checking out the webpage and the work that your students have done, and I wish you a good evening.